Morning everyone. It's another beautiful day here, Sunday. Heading out to Terrigal. Gonna get some photos and have a bit of a fly. So get off your ass, get out of bed and come and start your day early. You got 45 minutes for the sun rises. Then I'll be out there for another 2 or 3 hours. I'll edit on the beach. So come and live. Woo!
Sugar mine, won't you hurry? 'Cause I'm tired of...
Love this song. Sorry UFO and nobody believes me. Alright, that could be copyright infringement.
On the lonely, dusty road, lost my heart when I found it. It turned to dead black hole. Silver magic ships you carry, jumper's coat, sweet Mary Jane. Sugar man, you're the answer that makes my questions disappear. Sugar man, 'cause I'm wary of those double games I hear. Sugar man, won't you hurry? 'Cause I'm tired of this scene. For the blue coin, won't you bring back all those colors to my dreams? Silver magic ships you carry, jumper's coat, sweet Mary Jane. Mary Jane, you're the answer that make my questions disappear.
Now remember, it's like 10 degrees air temp. The water is around 18, 19 degrees, but these guys jumped in and they're going to swim around the Terrigal. So, I don't know how they do it.
Fire it up, that party lighting, make the room fill up with lightning. On the dance floor, no more hiding. Everybody get excited. Yeah, we want more. This party's poppin'. Show us your best move. Everyone's watching. It's so electric. Keeps us united. Yeah, you better get excited. Don't let go of this feeling. This is real. We're not dreaming. Keeps us all united. Everybody better get excited.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Quick little tour around the Central Coast. See those swimmers out there at Terrigal Point. I don't know how they do that. It was freezing this morning. So what I want to do is invite you guys along. Saturday and Sunday mornings, sunrise somewhere on the Central Coast. Shoot me a message on Drone Pilot on Facebook, Drone Pilot on YouTube, or Drone Pilot on Instagram. Follow me there, shoot me a message and we'll meet up. Come for a sunrise, get your asses out of bed and come and do something different. Enjoy your morning. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. It was a quick fry. This will have to go on the bloopers. That damn orb. Look at it. The big green dot. To the left. To the left. There's no way you can get rid of that. Throw this one in the can. Look at it. Damn orbs. Get off my goddamn screen. Oh well, hope you enjoyed.